केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने पेश किया है आर्थिक सर्वे। लोकसभा में पिछले वित्त वर्ष के लिए आर्थिक सर्वेक्षण को पेश किया है और इस सर्वे के अनुसार 2024-25 में जीडीपी 6.5 से 7% रहने का अनुमान है। महंगाई दर 4.5% रहने का जताया है अनुमान, जबकि वित्त वर्ष 2025-26 में महंगाई दर 4.1 रहने का अनुमान जताया है। इस आर्थिक सर्वे में जो कुछ भी अर्थव्यवस्था को गति देने के लिए सुझाव दिए गए हैं, उसकी झलक संसद में कल पेश होने वाले आम बजट में दिखाई देगी। आज इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पेश होने के बाद कल पेश होगा आम बजट। ऐसे में निर्मला सीतारमण बतौर वित्त मंत्री कल पेश करेंगी पूर्ण बजट और लगातार 7वीं बार, क्योंकि 6ठी बार जब उन्होंने बजट पेश किया था अपने आप में वो एक रिकॉर्ड था, लेकिन अब 7वीं बार बजट पेश कर एक नया रिकॉर्ड बनाने की ओर अग्रसर है केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण।
Sir, Ministry of Corporate Affairs has taken a lot of steps towards reducing pending cases, and as was mentioned earlier, there was a special drive phase 1 and a special drive phase 2. Special drive phase 1 was in 17, special drive phase 2 has been implemented in 23. Till July of 24, that is this month, 15th, 6,294 applications for withdrawal have been filed before the various courts. Now, specifically on ease of doing business, a lot of steps have been taken, nearly 11 steps which have been given in the written reply. So, nearly 11 steps have been taken which were mentioned worthy, which are being specifically said in the reply. But most importantly, decriminalization of 63 major offences.
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य, बैठे बैठे प्रश्नकाल में नहीं बोला जाता है, टिप्पणी नहीं की जाती है, ठीक है ना माननीय मंत्री जी?
So 63 offences have been decriminalized, and as a result of which companies today are able to carry on their functions without the worry of compliance. There was a central processing center which has been set up so that specified non-STP e-reforms can also be, e-forms related questions can also be taken up. So the most important part of this is zero fee for incorporation has been brought in for companies with authorized capital of up to 15 lakhs, meaning small companies which have small capitals with which they start their business, there is no fee charged. These are as a matter of ease of doing business, other than simultaneously acting on reducing the pendency in the courts.